Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Bitcoin went absolutely crazy. Let's quickly have a look at what's going on. And first of all, congrats to everyone who's been holding BTC. Yesterday we made history and Bitcoin reached a new all-time high at around 124.5 thousand USD and went crashing afterwards, as you can see here. It's not really crashing, but having a significant correction, let's say. So as you can see here, the price is currently hovering around 18,000 USD. It nearly touched 17,000, and things are just not really looking that solid from a much larger time frame perspective. When you look at how is the market behaving, you will find major volatility over the past 24 hours or so. Oopsie daisy. And this will indicate that Bitcoin is somehow also being affected by people taking profit. Bear in mind that many people are just waiting for Bitcoin to reach an all-time high so they can lock in some profit. And you should as well, as an investor, you should at least take 5 to 10% or so profit. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. But if you're not taking profits, so what's the point of all of that? So you need to take profit and then wait until the price cools down, and then you can re-enter the market again, and that's how the game is done. So what's now and what to expect for BTC's price? Well, I do personally believe that Bitcoin can hover around that level, 15 to 18,000 for quite some time. And then we can have a one final run towards the upside, hitting all the way to 130,000 to 160,000. I know it's a big range, but I would say that's the range everyone is expecting BTC to top at this level, and then we will have this major crash or the bearish market. Bear in mind that we've been going bullish for quite some time now, nearly a couple of years. Actually, the Bitcoin halving was April last year, so ever since we've been going quite strong. And when you zoom out, when you look at the greater picture, you'll find that Bitcoin is performing way better than before, but it needs some form of correction. And this correction will happen once we hit a completely new all-time high, and then people will just start being a bit too afraid to enter the market, aka being greedy. Extreme greed means that people are just jumping the market without any calculation, and that's when the smart people take out their profits. So for now, so far so good. Again, congrats to everyone. Bitcoin reached an all-time high, and now we're having this kind of significant correction. Whether you want to hold, whether you want to sell, whether you want to call it a day, that's completely up to you. But for now, everyone is just waiting for 130, and then we can reassess the whole situation.